I want to go over to you now. Let's see if you can answer this question. This question, when it talks about the ability of water to act as a solvent, what it's actually looking for you to do is to discuss things like transport. So you definitely get 1 marking point for discussing the fact that it is for transport. For mentioning the hydrogen bonds doesn't get you any marks. The reason it doesn't get you any marks is because the question specifically is asking about why those hydrogen bonds are going to help the survival of these organisms. So it's important to note that we're talking about why does it help them to survive? Well, medium of metabolic reactions, what is that? What are we talking about? The cytoplasm. You're going to learn about different types of matrices when it comes to, for example, respiration, the mitochondrial matrix. You're going to learn about the stroma when it comes to photosynthesis. So you need to understand that water forming hydrogen bonds and being a solvent makes it really important for these metabolic reactions that need to occur. The separation of the ionic compounds, again, you're going to learn about this when you look at neuronal communication. So you're going to learn about sodium ions, potassium ions, calcium ions. You're going to learn about chloride ions. So you need to be able to understand that that water knowledge that you were previously learning about isn't just solely about these hydrogen bonds. It has to now link to the bigger picture. Transport, obviously, what do we mean by transport? Well, this links to our circulatory system, and it also links to transports in plant. So when we talk about transport in plant, we're looking at translocation and transpiration. And obviously it says if you are to name those, you're going to get marks. So if you're not sure of what to write, always give a description, and that will help you to maximize your grade. Also, when we're looking at this, able to dilute toxic substances, that is something you're going to learn about when you do your module 5 and look at the kidneys and excretion and the process of how that works.